Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss properties of logarithm. So what exactly is a logarithm? For example, we have this expression, logarithm of base 2 of 8. Okay, so etong expression na to guys means that what should be the exponent of 2 in order for us to get 8. Okay, so basically, this is just equal to 3 because if you raise the base, okay, if raise natin yung base sa 3, you can get 8. So the best definition of a logarithm is that it is an exponent. Okay, logarithm is just an exponent. Okay, always remember that guys. So here, this is the base. 2 is the base. Okay, 2 should be raised to a certain exponent. So this is the exponent. To get this 8 here, and 8 is what we called the argument. Okay, so these are the parts of a logarithm. We have here logarithm base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. Okay, so this is the logarithmic form and this is the exponential form. So here, this is what we call the logarithm. Ito yung general form of logarithm. And under this, we have what we call the common logarithm. Okay, so when you say common logarithm, ito yung logarithm na may base 10. Okay, so logarithm, let's say, the logarithm of base 10 of, let's say, 100. Okay, so this is just equivalent to 2 because what should be the exponent of 10 in order for us to get this argument na 100? Okay, that is 10 squared. So 10 squared is equal to 100. Okay, this is what you call the common logarithm. Kapag meron kang 10 na base, dinadrop down natin siya or hindi na natin siya linalagay. It is considered as 10 if it is expressed like this, logarithm of 100. Okay, that is just equivalent to 2 kasi pag drop down mo yung 10, it is just the same as this expression. So kapag 10 yung base, hindi na natin siya nilalagay. Okay, so here we go to the second type of a logarithm wherein ang base natin is e or the Euler's. Okay, this is the Euler's number which is approximately equal to 2.718. Okay, so meron pa siyang mga kasunod. This is an irrational number. So here, kapag Euler's number ang base natin, if this is your base, tinatawag natin siyang natural. Okay, natural logarithm. So the notation is ln. We have here ln. So kapag ln, hindi na natin siya linalagyan ng base e because kapag natural logarithm, it is considered na siya, ang base niya is e. So no need to put e here. So let's say ln 1. Okay? ln1 is equal to, okay, let's go here. What should be the exponent of e? Since kapag ln ang base niya is e, in order for us to get 1. So here, we all know that if you raise a certain number to 0, okay, wherein the number is not equal to 0, raise to 0 natin si e, that gives us 1. Therefore, ln1 is 0. Because 0 is the exponent or the number that the base should be raised in order to get this argument 1. Okay, let's proceed here. Let's say ln e. So this means that what should be the exponent of e to get e? So that is just equal to 1. Okay, e raised to 1 is equal to e. Okay, ln e, is equal to 1. Ayan, those are the types of logarithm. You have the common logarithm and you have the natural logarithm. Okay, let's proceed now to the properties of logarithm. So as we have discussed sa concept, logarithm is just an exponent. So for example, we are multiplying a certain number, okay, with the same base, say base 10, and we have this argument xy. So we all know kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng same base, different exponent, you just add that exponent. Okay, so log xy is equal to the logarithm of x plus logarithm of y. Okay, if you are dividing same base pa rin, base 10, let's say here from this example, x divided by y. If you are dividing expression wherein you have the same base but you have different exponent, you just subtract those exponents. So log x minus log y. Then we have here to the third basic property, we have if you raise a certain expression with a certain base and a certain exponent to a certain exponent, i-raise mo pa siya sa exponent as we have discussed in my previous video, you just multiply that n to the exponent. Okay, log x. So you just drop that down here to get n log x. So these are the basic properties that we should understand when we are studying logarithms. Okay, basically there are secondary properties, but those properties are just derived from these properties. Okay, to further understand this concept, mag-solve tayo ng mga sample problems. Take note guys that this is an engineering related vlog. So it means that yung mga i-solve ko ditong problem are actually past board exam problems. Para mas maintindihan nyo na kung ano ba yung mga lumalabas sa mga board examination natin. So, simplify logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of x. So, let's just start from a simple example. So, as we have discussed, kapag nag-add tayo ng exponent, ibig sabihin yung expression before was multiplied to each other. Okay, ibig sabihin nito, you can just express this as logarithm of 5 times 6. Okay, this is just equal to logarithm of 30. Okay, logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of 6 is just equal to logarithm of 30. Okay, that is our first problem. So in the second problem, we have if logarithm base a of 10 is equal to 1/4, what is the value of logarithm of a? Okay, so basically, we need to get a and get logarithm of a. From this expression, we have here logarithm base a of 10 equals 1/4. Means that, pag renaise natin si a to 1/4, we get 10. Okay, so a raised to 1/4 is equal to 10. So in order to extract a, we need to raise both sides by 4 para yung 1/4 times 4, 1 na yun. So we can extract a. So a raised to 1/4 equals 10. Okay, raise natin both sides to 4. So here, 1/4 times 4, that is 1. So extract na natin si a. So a is just equal to 10 raised to 4 or a is equal to 10,000. Okay, since we get a, balik tayo sa yun. What is the value of logarithm a? Okay, logarithm a. So, walang nilagay na base. Ibig sabihin, this is base 10. So, here, we can just input the a here, yung value. So, we have here logarithm 10,000. So, what should be the exponent of 10 in order to get 10,000? Okay, that is okay, logarithm of 10,000 is just equal to 4. Because if the base is 10 here, hindi na nilalagay kapag 10. So, 10 should be raised to 4. Ano yung exponent para maging 10,000? Okay, that is exponent 4. So therefore, you have here log A is just equal to 4. So that is our second problem. Let's proceed to our third problem. So here we have find x. Ayan. So kadalasan ganito yung mga expression natin in the board examination. So we have the logarithm base 3 of x squared minus x quantity is equal to 2. Okay, express natin siya into exponential form in order for us to extract x. So we have here, so 3, okay, yung base 3 should be raised to 2. 3 squared is equal to get this argument, x squared minus 8x. Ayan, so therefore we have here 9 equals x squared minus 8x. Then let's subtract 9 to both sides. So this becomes x squared minus 8x minus 9 equals 0. So you can use quadratic formula to get the roots, or by inspection na lang tayo, you get the factor as, you have here x minus 9, okay, times the quantity x plus 1. So yung root niya is isang negative, isang positive by just inspecting the sign of the constant. Okay? So here, yung root natin is x minus 9 equals 0, and we have here x plus 1 equals 0. So that is x equals 9, and we have here x equals negative 1. Okay, these are the values for x. So we have here two values because this is a quadratic equation. So let's proceed to our, I think this is the fourth problem. Okay, find the argument x. So what should be the equivalent if you raise 12 to 2? Okay, that is basically 12 squared equals x. So therefore, x is 144. Okay, let's proceed to our next problem. Simplify ln e raised to xy. So here, kapag ganito, yung exponent, rinaise pa natin sa certain exponent. So we just multiply the exponent. So pwede nating ibaba, i-drop down natin dito si xy. So this becomes xy ln e. So from the properties, ln e is just equal to 1. Okay, recalling, if ln, ang base niya is e, what should be the exponent of e to get e? Of course, that is 1. Okay, so therefore, ln e is just equal to 1. So therefore, xy, ln e is 1, so times 1. Therefore, ln e raised to xy is just equal to xy, because this expression here is just 1. So this is the final answer for this problem. So let's go here to our last problem. Solve for x in this equation. So 4 raised to x times 5 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 6 raised to x plus 2. Okay, so this is the problem. Hanapin daw natin yung value ng x. So in order for us to get the value of x, we are required to get the natural logarithm of both sides or the common logarithm of both sides. You can use common logarithm, you can use natural logarithm. So either way, you will get the same answer, as long as you do it on the left side and you do it also on the right side. So we take the natural logarithm. Natural logarithm yung gagamitin ko para mas maikli lang yung notation niya. So natural logarithm of 4 raised to x times 5 raised to x plus 1. Okay, you also do it on the right side. So natural logarithm of 6 raised to x plus 2. So from the properties, if this is the case, you're multiplying, okay, yung inside natin dito, inside expression are multiplied, pwede natin siyang ihiwalay by adding it. So we have here ln, okay, 4 raised to x plus ln 5 raised to x plus 1 is equal to the natural logarithm of 6 raised to x plus 2. Ayan. By properties, pwede nating ibaba itong exponent ng argument. So we have here x ln 4 plus, we have here x plus 1. Just put that down. And we have here times ln 5. And we have here x plus 2 quantity times ln 6. Then we just simplify, distribute lang natin x ln 4 plus, okay, distribute natin si ln 5. So we have here x ln 5 plus ln 5, okay, times 1 yon, equals, distribute natin si ln 6. So that is x ln 6 plus 2 ln 6. So, simplify lang natin. We have here x ln 4 plus x ln 5. We subtract x ln 6 both sides para makombine natin siya dito sa right side, yung mga x's. So, we have here minus x ln 6 equals 2 ln 6. Okay, subtract tayo ng ln 5 both sides. So, minus ln 5. So, here we factor out x since common siya. So, we have here x times the quantity ln 4 plus ln 5 minus ln 6. So, we have here 2 ln 6 minus ln 5. Then, to get x, divide natin both sides to ln 4 plus ln 5 minus ln 6. So, we have here x equals 2 ln 6 minus ln 5 all over. So we have ln 4 plus ln 5 minus ln 6. Okay, you might need to use your calculator here kasi hindi siya pwedeng mano-mano. So we have here x equals, put your calculator out, scientific. So we have, I'm using Casio 570 ES Plus. Again, sa mga nagtatanong, of course, pwede natin gamitin si Casio 570 ES Plus, yung second edition, yung black, sa board examination, except for CE. And kung CE ka, if you are a civil engineering student, you can use Olympia 570 ES Plus, and of course, yung kadalasang ginagamit ng mga CE, you have here Canon 789 SGA. So here, this is the first edition of Casio 570 ES Plus. Gamitin natin siya for this. Okay, so we have here 2 ln 6 minus ln 5. You have here all over ln 4 plus ln 5, natural logarithm of 5 minus the natural logarithm of 6. Ayan, if you input the value, if you have already input the value, you just click equals. Okay, it gives you this value, 1.6396. Gamitin natin yung 3 significant figures. Okay, this is 1 point. Approximately, yung x natin is 1.64. Okay, this is the final answer for this problem. So if you're going to take the board exam soon, you might not need to solve a manual solution like this. Instead, you use our calculator technique. So as you all know, guys, I'm also doing vlogs or video tutorials regarding calculator techniques. You can check that out on my previous videos. If you are a student na magbo-board exam na. Okay, graduate ka na and magbo-board exam ka na. And we have here additional information by utilizing your calculator. You can just use the shift solve function. So here we have 4 raised to x. Input lang natin directly yung equation. Okay, ito yung 4 exponent. Then input natin si 4. Then sa exponent ilagay natin yung variable na x. So yung x natin is itong may right side parenthesis. Okay, yung katabi ng SD. So alpha x yun. Ayan, you press alpha and x to get that variable x there. Then you put, lagay tayo ng parenthesis para hindi siya mag-math error. And you have here 5. So, lagay natin si 5. Then you have here the exponent. Exponent natin is x plus 1. So, alpha, and press this x here. So, plus 1 Then you just arrange the grouping, and we have here alpha CALC. So that is equals. Alpha equals, and you just input again this value here. So 6, okay, raised to, you have here alpha x plus 2. Okay, alpha x plus 2. Then you press shift solve. Okay, lagay tayo ng maliit lang na limit, let's say 2, and press equals. So the calculator will give you the same answer for x. So that is 1.64. Okay, that's it guys. Dagdag kaalaman lang yon sa mga magbo-board examination. So we have here this problem and this topic. We have properties of logarithm. Thank you for watching this video guys. I hope that you have learned from this video. If you are new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll get notified on my future lecture videos just like this one. Thank you guys for your support, not only on this channel but also on my Facebook page, that is facebook.com/engineerprofph. See you guys. Thank you for watching this video.